Yo, good afternoon, my peeps. Jesse here with Double J Pressure Washing. Today we will be knocking out this driveway. We're going to be using a surface cleaner. I have a 28-inch Whisper Wash, and after that we do some post treatment. There's a lot of trees around here. This one has a lot of algae, so you'll see. Stay tuned. Let's go. We just out here washing, baby. Now it's post-treatment time. As you can see, there's a lot of swirls. There's a lot of mildew. Went a little quick. We got all of these. It'll brighten up with some post-treatment.